good morning. Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Tiffany. Ooh, very fancy, no? Okay, so what I'm going to... Oh, I figured she gives me something else. Let me see what she says. Oh, look at this beautiful tiaras. Very, very nice. Now, are you going to get my helpers to give each of you one of these? And if we have a little more, maybe we put two on. Let's do that. Okay, I'm going to give you this because you are so young. You remember me from Fancy Nancy and the Posh Puppy? You remember me, no? You remember me. Very good. I was featured quite strongly. Now I will tell you that in Fancy Nancy and the Posh Puppy, you then now know my dog is Jewel. Jewel is my papillon puppy. Now, who remembers what the word papillon means? You do not remember? Papillon is French for butterfly. Let's remember that, okay? Because the butterfly is very important that you will need to be an explorer. Now remember, a fancy explorer. Because that's who we are, yes? We very fancy. Okay. You are fancy, I can see that. You will need a very fancy long sleeve shirt and the long pants so that you do not get bitten by one of these beautiful little insects because that would not be fun. No? You will also need the beautiful little notebook. I showed you this earlier. The beautiful notebook, very fancy. Now something else that you are going to need if you are going to be an explorer, something I love to have, of course, is the hat. You must have a beautiful hat. And this is going to help keep the sun out of your face. Do you all have a pretty hat at your house? Okay, you remember when you are exploring? You this one says something kind of good today, no? Find it in little birds. So, they are now pleading. What is pleading? I knew you would know it. Begging. Yes, but have you ever done some of that? I think so. Okay, the little ones, they are begging to be in the club extraordinaire. What? That was so little, they were not mature enough, no? In the beginning. And they had broken some of the club rules. They were crying, yes, over the cookie. You are all now going to be members of the Explorer Extraordinaire Club. Isn't that fantastic? Everybody give us something like this, applause. Very good. And I'm thinking to celebrate, we should play some of Nancy's fancy games. Are you ready to play a game? Yes. Okay. Now, we are going to play something called the Fancy Bingo. Something like that? Okay. We're going to get our things ready.